1970 Boss 429. This car we found in Arizona. It's spent its whole life in California and Arizona. It's a rust-free car, all original panel. The 429, they made 499 of these in 1970. And I own a classic car restoration shop called Kevin's Classic Cars in Cannon Falls, Minnesota. We specialize in Boss 429s. We've done around 70, 75 Boss 429s. We have 4 in the shop right now and 2 out here being judged. What Ford did is the original early cars, the 69, they would bring them over to Carcraft and they had a 428 Cobra Jet engine in here. Then they take that engine out and then they put in the Boss 429 engine. Later on in 69 and in the 70 cars, they came over and they pushed them around instead of having an engine in there, but they still, Carcraft installed the engine over at their facility. They only had the grabber colors in 1970. The grabber blue car with a white interior is the most common in 1970. They made 200 of these in 1970. And this particular car has a lot of original parts on it. Like these are the original wheels on it that came on it from 1970. These are original tires on here, original muffler. And this is original carpet. This is 50-year-old carpet. Of course, we clean and dye the carpet. And the seats, we clean the seats and dye the seats, and there's been a few repairs on here, but this is still 50-year-old seats, and everything else has been reconditioned in here. Some of the things are reproduction, like the dash and things, you know, because Arizona's hard on the on dashes and things down there. So, but really nice, beautiful interior on this car. On both 69 and 70 Boss 429s, the engine's so large there's no room for the battery up front where it normally is, so they always put the battery in the back. They did this on race cars, and then they did this on the Boss 429. The Space Saver spare is an inflatable type Space Saver spare. It's unique on a Boss 429. It's called a 775-14, and the 775-14 Space Saver spare goes for about $2,000 just for the spare itself. We just finished this car up yesterday, and we're bringing it here to the MCA meet here in Bloomington, Minnesota, hoping for a Concours Trailer Gold.